Hello again, guys. It's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Just at the gas station, fueling up for a trip to Nashville, Tennessee. It's about 5 hours away. The customer called me a couple of days ago, let me know that the convertible top on his 2003 XKR is no longer working, and it looks like it's leaking again from the top. So, not sure what I'll find when I get there, but I will follow up in the next video and let you know what I find. Just wanted to let you guys know, if you're considering using my service and you have reservations, I stand by all of my work, and regardless of whatever it takes, I will make sure that your convertible top is working. I warranty all of my work for 5 years on parts, 2 years on labor. To date, I haven't had very many problems. In fact, what I expect to find when I get to Nashville isn't a leaky hose, but I actually expect to find a leaking locking mechanism. But I'll follow up in the next video and let you know what I find. So we'll be chatting again soon. And if you're looking to reach me, my phone number is 888-317-9340. Thanks again.